WAEC candidates, some of whom are students of Unity Modern School in Asaba, Delta State, have cried out after being forced to write the exam at night using Torchlight. This shocking situation was revealed in a post shared on the social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter. In the video, a woman could be heard lamenting the incident. She explained that the exam was scheduled to start by 2 p.m., but the exam papers did not arrive until 6 p.m., forcing students to write in the dark. Her voice in the video said, "We are using Torchlight to write WAEC. It's not okay. Paper that's supposed to start by 2, they brought it by 6. No light in Unity Modern School Asaba, a state capital, not a village." She continued, "After they will say Tinubu is bad. This is wickedness. Writing exam by night."
They are using Torchlight to write WAEC. Even during my time of lantern, we not use Torchlight write WAEC. It's not okay. Paper that is supposed to start by 2 is starting. They brought it by 6. No light in the school, and it's hiding. It's using Torchlight to write WAEC in Unity Model School Asaba, state capital, not in a village. Live and direct. WAEC must write exam by night. What's the name of this paper? People are still writing. See them now with WAEC calculator, writing by night. After they will say Tinubu is bad. This is wickedness. Writing exam by night. They are supposed to bring this paper by 2. They stay till night. After they will say it's Tinubu. It's Tinubu that told WAEC to come. He's collecting their papers that they should go.
She confirmed the name of the school and said the students were still writing exam under poor conditions due to the delay. As the post spread online, concerned Nigerians flooded the comment section to express shock and outrage over the situation. You can share your thoughts in the comment box section below. And please keep watching NaijaNews TV.